guys, I'm going to show you how you make your own customized Nerf gun. So first, you need a PVC pipe. Mark it wherever you want to cut it. This is my size I need. And then you need any color duct tape. I use this because I love camouflage. And then you need like this piece that goes around. See if it's right on there, that piece. And then once you get that and mark it, you want to, or you can just keep it like this and blow through it. But I'm going to show you, I'll put on the duct tape on it too. First, get a piece big enough, what is this, size, like that. Look at it. This one's pretty big. I'm making this one for my dad. Rip it. Now this, put it flat like on the PVC pipe, like that, straight. Alright. It's kind of hard lining it up, but yeah. Down all the way. So it should look like this, like that. It should be somewhat like that. Then you fold this side over, then just trace it all the way down. Oops, got a little bump right there. Bump right there. That should be too good. What?
Flashlight. Gotta push the back of that. And then you want this Pittsburgh Steelers keychain? NFL?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Sorry for the interruption. He just gave me some modified stuff so I can make mine. Where did mine go? I don't know. Yeah, behind me. So then it should look like this. Camouflage on this side. And then put the other piece the same size as the rest. A little bit longer here. That's not good enough. We can just, yeah, I know it wouldn't be good enough. Okay. Oh, and yeah, you see this part's like white up here. That's where you're going to put this. This, I'm making this for my dad. It's the same. So I'm just covering up. So when we do the same thing at Menards, we can put it in there. And yeah. So we're hard. Okay, finish. And now, it's the finishing touch right here. And then when you actually like put on the thing right there, you want to tape it so it won't fall off. And if you get the duct tape from Menards, it's good, really, really good. So I recommend it. Don't go to Walmart and just get gray duct tape. I mean, it will suck. Trust me. It didn't work for me. Right when I put it on, duct taped it like 10 rolls, just came right off. It's all gray. They have like no other thing. And we are going to now attach the flashlight to this. Fix that right at the end. Yeah, right there. That's not all straight, but that's how it's going to be like. We're going to keep on putting layers so it actually stay in place. Okay. And the last layer. Luckily this duct tape is not getting wasted. Now we need to test the out. I think we can do one more hole because it's kind of flapping off. Let's do a big hole. Okay, that's good. And like that right there, the yellow part, put that easily. that's completely camouflage, and now let's test it out. There. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and yeah, that'll be really helpful. Yeah, really, really helpful. And I will be probably giving one of these out. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Because I might be giving one to my friend named Lucas. I will put his link in the description below, I think. So you spell it. But yeah. Bye guys.